So we're going to talk a little bit about stocks and bonds. Kind of, think about the phone, right? Old way, new way, right? For a long period of time, bonds did a great job within a portfolio in a declining interest rate environment. Are we in a declining interest rate environment anymore? May not be the best tool anymore. Cool. Glad it worked for you 20 years ago. Doesn't mean it's the right tool to work for the next 20 years. Doesn't mean you can't use it though, but maybe you don't want to rely on it as much, right? So a common way of managing money or coming up with a recommendation is 60-40 portfolios, 60% stocks, 40% bonds. More comfortable you are with risk, maybe a little bit higher on the stocks, 70%, a little bit lower on the bonds. More conservative you want to be, maybe we're going to go 40% stocks, 60% bonds, right? So standard approach to constructing a portfolio, making portfolio changes, right? So what do you see here with growth? I highlighted a couple things here. So now a lot of people, especially in retirement, they want to reduce potential volatility, right? They don't like seeing big fluctuations month to month, year to year with their investments, right? Should I buy bonds because of that? Because I want to reduce volatility? Maybe. I'm going to say, I don't think that's a good enough reason to do it. There should be some other benefits to it because we know there are other financial tools that will reduce volatility, right? I shared them with you on that chart, right? So if that's the goal, we should analyze all those different tools to try to figure out which ones are best or not for us and what degree. If you're working with a broker, if you're working with someone who's only focused on investment markets, they may not be knowledgeable about those tools. They may not be able to provide those tools, right? So growth, equities, high risk tolerance, long time horizon. Does that sound like retirement? Does that sound like the distribution years? Maybe for you. I can tell you, I would say 90+% of the people I talk to, that's not them. They might have some of their money where they're okay with that, right? But that's not what they want for all of it, right? Or the majority of it. Again, landline, iPhone, or Droid, if you're like me. I have a Droid. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information helpful. If you'd like to talk about potentially having me as your advisor, use the link below or visit our website to request a no-cost, no-obligation conversation.